Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Reboot Plasma Cutter is probably one of the most versatile and efficient tools for metal fabrication, offering precision cuts on various materials, but sometimes you might encounter issues that require a reboot to restore functionality. This video will guide you through the process of troubleshooting and rebooting your Reboot Plasma Cutter, ensuring you get the most out of this powerful tool, from understanding the causes of malfunctions to performing the reboot procedure correctly. And also some tips to prevent future issues. Number 5. LOTOS LTP 5000D Plasma Cutter. It boasts a 25% increase in cutting power compared to standard 50-amp plasma cutters. This is thanks to the newly upgraded PC board and torch. Experience faster cutting speeds without compromising accuracy. Its advanced control systems and precision cutting flames ensure high-precision cuts with smooth, fine lines. It uses non-hazardous compressed air and features a long-lasting torch and consumables, lowering your overall usage costs. The convenient handle makes it easy to transport. It comes with a pre-installed air filter regulator, enabling a seamless connection to your air compressor in under a minute. Setup is effortless. Precise pressure adjustment is key for perfect cuts. This ensures a 100% air leakage-free guarantee. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, a 1-year new replacement warranty, and a 3-year limited warranty, all backed by our US-based lifetime technical support. It effortlessly cuts through rough, painted, and rusty surfaces with minimal slag. The Pilot Arc technology ensures superior cutting quality and extends consumable life. It delivers a 10-50A DC output, with a 5/8-inch clean cut and 3/4-inch severance cut at 222/40V. It's suitable for various metals, including stainless steel and aluminum. It comes with everything you need: power supply, plasma cutting torch, ground clamp, air filter regulator, consumables, and instruction manual. What we like. It boasts a remarkable 25% increase in cutting power compared to standard models. Setting it up takes only a minute, thanks to its pre-installed components. If you're on a budget and need efficient performance, this is the one for you. What people say. It does not have the usual made-in-China crappy feel. For comparison, my welder is a Miller Multimatic costing several times the cost of this plasma cutter. The controls are easy to use, including a digital display for the amp setting. No contact with the material, using the included non-wire metal piece. This prolongs life of consumables, provides cleaner cuts, and is easier to use. Usually found on higher price units. It works well under both 110-220 voltage, but you need a pigtail adapter to use it in 115. It has a built-in air regulator with a water cup filter, ensures your air is dry and clean, comes included as a standard feature. My hand is not that steady, but it cut nice and clean through 10mm steel like butter. The photos show the brown version, but as per the description it is the red one. Number 4. RBC 6000DL Pro Plasma Cutter. This innovative plasma cutter boasts a non-touch Pilot Arc for superior cut quality and extended consumable life. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use, making any cutting task easier. With its non-contact arc, it delivers cleaner cuts and maximizes consumable lifespan. You'll appreciate the precision and longevity it offers. The large digital display provides real-time feedback on air pressure, current, and other vital parameters. This ensures optimal performance and simplifies troubleshooting. It handles various materials and thicknesses with ease, from thin sheet metal to thicker plates. Its versatility makes it ideal for a wide range of applications. It effortlessly cuts through rough, painted, or rusted surfaces, producing clean cuts with minimal slag. Even mesh cutting is a breeze. The built-in air pressure sensor ensures you're always working within the optimal range. A clear visual indicator alerts you to any pressure issues. It delivers remarkably precise cuts with minimal distortion and a smooth, flat surface. The results speak for themselves. What we like. This cutter packs a powerful 60-amp punch and features a digital display for real-time monitoring. The precise cuts it delivers are ideal for detailed work. If you need power and precision, this is your best bet. What people say. It cuts through 3/16 like butter and does well with 1/4 also. I have not done 3/8 yet, as it's advertised to be able to cut up to 3/8. It will cut through 1/2 if you go very slow. This 60-amp machine provides a clean 5/8-inch cut and can sever up to 4 or 5 inches, making it ideal for both small and larger projects. The dual voltage feature, 110/120V or 222/40V, adds versatility, allowing me to use it in various settings. I was very skeptical when I bought this. This plasma cutter is worth every dollar so far. I bought it to custom fabricate some parts for my hot rod, and it is burning through 1 4-inch cold rolled steel like it's nothing. Number 3. Forney 251 Easy Weld Plasma Cutter. This portable and versatile tool makes precise metal cutting easy. It's perfect for various projects, big or small. All you need is a 120-volt power source and compressed air. It features a built-in regulator and air dryer for simple operation. An air compressor is not included. It uses drag torch technology, allowing you to drag the cutting tip along the metal for smooth, clean cuts every time. It comes with a 13-foot cutting torch, an 8-foot ground clamp, a 20-amp to 15-amp adapter, and extra consumables to get you started. It's small but mighty. It can cleanly cut through various metals up to 1 4-inch thick, including mild steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. With its all-metal case, it's built tough to handle daily use. It's a reliable tool you can depend on. Visit Forney's Amazon brand store for recommended accessories and consumables to keep it running smoothly. What we like. It's incredibly user-friendly, requiring only a power source and compressed air. The drag torch makes cutting smooth and consistent. If you're a beginner or value ease of use and portability, this is a great option. What people say. It cuts 1/8 steel like a box cutter cutting cardboard. I haven't taken it to the limits yet, but the way it rips through 1/8 tells me that it will be just fine for 1/4. Also, having now been inside the machine, I can say that it appears to be a high-quality build in all respects. Gun is comfortable and doesn't feel flimsy. There's an innovative swivel at base of the gun to prevent line chafing there. The ground clamp is solid, lines are generously long with a cord-wrapped carry handle and it carries around the shop nicely. I've cut about 200 of 12 and 14 GA mild steel with this so far. The user's manual doesn't give much info on settings. It has performed well so far, but I can't speak to longevity. I like the trigger guard, it keeps accidental arc from happening. This is the first plasma cutter I've used. Previously, I used a grinder or a chop saw to cut metal. This plasma cutter burns right through 1/8 or thinner material with no problem. It makes a clean, perfect line. It cuts 3/16 material too, but leaves a more ragged cut compared to a carbide blade, of course. It seems well made and we'll see how it holds up over time. Number 2. Miller Spectrum 375 Plasma Cutter. This is the Miller Spectrum 375 Plasma Cutter, designed for precision and performance. It's built to handle a variety of cutting tasks with ease and efficiency. Experience superior accuracy with its innovative design. It delivers clean, consistent cuts every time, saving you time and materials. It utilizes advanced inverter technology for optimal power efficiency. This means less energy consumption and lower running costs. This robust machine is built with high-quality components for long-lasting durability. It's designed to withstand the rigors of professional use. It's manufactured in the United States, ensuring the highest standards of quality and safety. You can trust it to deliver reliable performance. This plasma cutter prioritizes operator safety with features designed to minimize risks. It helps create a safer work environment. What we like. Known for its superior build quality and reliable inverter technology, it's a durable and long-lasting tool. If you prioritize quality and longevity, this is a smart investment. What people say. I have cut anything from sheet metal, to truck frames, to 5/8 bolts. Yes, you have to work it when you use it for stuff that big, and I have zero complaints. I've had this unit since 2015 and have cut 1/4-inch stainless and have not had one single problem with it. Love this plasma cutter, has made my life a lot easier doing my LS motor swap in my 95 Jeep. Number 1. PRIMEWELD Cut 60 Plasma Cutter. This is the Cut 60, a powerful and versatile plasma cutter. It's perfect for various cutting needs, offering precision and efficiency. With 60 amps of cutting power, it handles a wide range of materials with ease. You'll get clean, precise cuts every time. It features a non-touch pilot arc for safe and easy starting. No more struggling to ignite the arc. The included PT60 torch is designed for comfort and durability, ensuring a smooth cutting experience. It's built to last. It offers dual voltage capabilities, 110V 220V, providing flexibility for various power sources. It's ready to work wherever you are. We stand behind its quality with a 3-year warranty. It's a reliable tool you can depend on for years to come. What we like. It offers 60 amps of power and utilizes non-touch arc technology for superior cut quality. It also comes with a reassuring 3-year warranty. If you want a powerful, high-quality cutter with peace of mind, this is the one to choose. What people say. With its 60 amp cutting capacity, this plasma cutter effortlessly slices through various materials, including stainless steel, aluminum, copper, and more. The option to work with both 110V and 220V power supplies is a game changer. It ensures that I can use the plasma cutter in different environments without any hassle or the need for additional equipment. The non-touch pilot arc feature allows me to cut through painted, rusty, or rough surfaces without worrying about interference or damage. It provides a clean and smooth cutting experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.